Rusia mengerahkan pasukan khusus membebaskan sandera yang ditahan pasukan Ukraina di masjid Turki di Mariupol. Selama serangan untuk membebaskan kota Mariupol, operasi khusus untuk membebaskan sandera yang ditahan tentara Ukraina di masjid Turki di distrik Primorski pada tanggal 16 April atas permintaan Presiden Turki Recep Tayyip Erdogan. Sebagai hasil dari tindakan berani kelompok operasi khusus Rusia, masjid dikuasai dan tahanan selamat. Sebanyak 29 militan, termasuk tentara bayaran asing, tewas. Seluruh sandera warga negara asing termasuk dari Turki diselamatkan dan dibawa ke lokasi yang aman, kata juru bicara Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia Mayor Jenderal Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur Minggu tanggal 17 April.
Ukraine were destroyed during the operation. During the offensive to liberate Mariupol city, a special operation to free hostages held by Ukrainian Nazis in Turkish mosque was carried out in Primorsky district on April 16 at the request of Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan. As a result of the courageous actions of the Russian Special Operations Group, the mosque was released and 29 militants, including foreign mercenaries, were killed. Hostages, citizens of a CIS country, released and taken to a safe location. A Ukrainian group encircled and completely blockaded in Mariupol on the territory of the Azovstal plant has been asked to voluntarily lay down arms and surrender in order to save their lives. However, the Kiev nationalist regime, according to the radio intercept, forbade negotiations on surrender, ordering Azov Nazis to shoot on sight any willing to lay down arms among Ukrainian soldiers and foreign mercenaries. In total, according to the Ukrainian servicemen who surrendered, up to 400 foreign mercenaries are now encircled on the territory of Azovstal plant as part of the Ukrainian grouping. Most of them are citizens of European countries as well as Canada. We previously reported that radio conversations between militants in Mariupol were conducted in 6 foreign languages. In the case of further resistance, they will all be eliminated. Since the start of the special military operation, the Kiev nationalist regime has brought 6,824 foreign mercenaries from 63 countries to Ukraine. The largest group came from Poland, 1,717 people. About 1,500 mercenaries came from the US, Canada, and also Romania. From the UK and Georgia, each up to 300 people. 193 people arrived from Turkish-controlled areas of the Syrian Arab Republic. The majority of the mercenaries are now deployed in Ukrainian groups in Kiev, Kharkov, Odessa, Nikolaev and Mariupol. Their deployment in the groups is handled by the regional coordination headquarters of the so-called International Legion of Defense of Ukraine in Belaya Tserkov city. As a result of the hostilities, the number of mercenaries has steadily declined and currently stands at 4,877. Russian armed forces have eliminated 1,035 foreign mercenaries in combat operations. Another 912 mercenaries refused to take part in hostilities and escaped from the country. Let me remind you that foreign mercenaries do not have the status of combatants under international humanitarian law. They came to Ukraine to make money by killing Slavs. So, the best that can happen to them is criminal liability and long terms of imprisonment.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.